I remember staring at my newly installed fake wood floors, entirely ruined by water damage and streaks. I trusted a generic sponge mop, and it cost me my deposit and my sanity. Finding the right mop for laminate or vinyl is a nightmare because too much moisture warps them and harsh pads scratch the finish. You need the perfect balance. Today, I am breaking down the top 7 mops for fake wood floors that I've rigorously tested in my own home. Stick around for number 1 because it completely changed how I clean my house. 7. Swiffer WetJet Wood Floor Spray Mop. When I first bought this system, the primary appeal was absolute convenience. You don't have to mix any chemicals, fill any buckets, or wash any dirty mop heads at the end of your cleaning routine. You simply snap a disposable pad onto the bottom, click the proprietary cleaning solution bottle into the handle, and you are immediately ready to start pushing it across your living room floor. However, testing this on my fake wood floors quickly revealed some glaring issues that are hard to ignore. The battery-operated spray mechanism is designed to shoot the liquid directly onto the floor in front of the mop pad. Unfortunately, the nozzles on the WetJet can be surprisingly abrasive, dispensing small puddles rather than a fine mist. Fake wood floors, especially laminate, are incredibly sensitive to liquid pooling at the seams, and trying to control the output of this device proved to be an exercise in extreme frustration. Then there is the issue with the disposable pads themselves. While they do a decent job of grabbing surface hair and loose dirt initially, they saturate very quickly. Once the pad is saturated, you are essentially just pushing dirty liquid around your floor. Constantly throwing away and replacing these pads mid-clean becomes a significant ongoing money pit. More importantly, pushing a heavily saturated pad across your delicate laminate is a guaranteed recipe for cloudy streaks and edge warping over time. Ultimately, while the Swiffer WetJet is perfectly fine for a rapid 10-second spot clean when you spill a glass of juice, it falls completely short as a whole house solution. The lack of precise moisture control and the continuous financial drain of replacing the specialized solution bottles and single-use pads make it a highly risky and inefficient choice for maintaining the integrity of your fake wood flooring. 6. Microfiber Wholesale 24-inch Professional Microfiber Flat Mop. I was initially very excited to test this out because it boasts a true commercial-grade appeal. The promise here is that the massive 2-foot-wide mop head will cut your cleaning time in half, and physically, it absolutely covers an enormous amount of square footage with every single pass. If you live in an empty gymnasium, this would be a dream come true. The build quality is undeniably solid, featuring a heavy-duty adjustable stainless steel handle that feels like it could survive an apocalypse. However, the sheer size quickly becomes its biggest enemy in a standard residential home. Navigating this behemoth around living room furniture, toilet bases, and tight kitchen islands is incredibly frustrating. I found myself repeatedly banging into baseboards and struggling to angle the massive frame into corners, which entirely negated the time I saved on the wide-open stretches of the floor. Furthermore, the microfiber pads themselves, while thick and highly absorbent, require you to manually wet them or carry a separate spray bottle in your other hand. On fake wood floors, getting the moisture level just right manually is a tedious hassle. You have to take the pad to the sink, soak it, and manually wring it out by hand before attaching it to the Velcro base. Wringing out a thick 24-inch pad by hand is not a fun experience, and if you leave it too wet, you risk water damage to your floorboards. This mop is built like a tank, but it is massive overkill and hopelessly clunky for standard home layouts. The severe lack of maneuverability in tight spaces and the annoying manual moisture management make it a physically demanding chore rather than a modern cleaning convenience, placing it firmly near the bottom of my list. 5. Tineco Floor 1 S7 Stretch Ultra. After the manual labor of the previous mops, using this high-tech marvel feels like a total revelation. This is a premium wet-dry vacuum and mop hybrid that washes your floors and sucks up the dirty water simultaneously, ensuring your floors are getting cleaned with fresh water every single second of the cleaning process. The most groundbreaking feature I tested on this model is its 180-degree lay-flat design. Traditionally, these hybrid machines are bulky and cannot fit under furniture. The S7 Stretch Ultra literally hinges flat to the ground, allowing you to reach deep under couches, beds, and heavy cabinets where dust bunnies gather. It does all of this without losing an ounce of suction or leaking dirty water back onto your fake wood, which is an engineering masterpiece. Moisture control on this machine is completely unparalleled. Because it washes the floor and immediately extracts the liquid into a dirty water tank, your laminate or vinyl floors are left virtually dry in a matter of seconds. This completely eliminates the terrifying risk of water seeping into your floor seams and causing irreversible buckling. It takes all the human error out of mopping, automatically adjusting its suction and water flow based on how dirty the floor actually is. While this machine is undeniably a significant financial investment, the sheer time saved and the flawless results make it incredible. It even features a self-cleaning cycle that flushes out the roller brush and internal tubes while sitting on its charging dock. There is a slight learning curve regarding the maintenance of the machine itself, but for whole house, deep cleaning protection of fake wood floors, it is an absolute powerhouse. 4. BISSELL SpinWave Hard Floor Expert Corded Spin Mop Cleaner. If you are incredibly tired of putting your back into scrubbing stubborn, sticky floor stains, this corded spin mop is designed to do all the heavy lifting for you. When I unboxed this and turned it on, I was instantly impressed by how the machine practically propels itself forward. I tested this on some dried-on kitchen spills, including sticky syrup and muddy paw prints, and the dual spinning microfiber pads are genuinely fantastic. They rotate aggressively enough to lift the toughest grime, but are engineered to be gentle enough not to scratch the delicate wear layer of laminate or luxury vinyl plank floors. You don't have to push down or scrub. You simply guide the handle and let the spinning heads agitate the mess away. You control the moisture with a highly responsive on-demand spray button located right on the handle. I absolutely love this feature because fake wood floors require a less is more approach to liquid. You can mist just enough proprietary BISSELL wood floor formula to lubricate the spinning pads without ever creating dangerous standing puddles. It gives you total tactile control over the cleaning environment. Because this specific model is corded, you are gifted with unlimited runtime, which is fantastic for marathon deep cleaning weekends. You never have to worry about a battery dying halfway through your kitchen. It glides across the floor almost effortlessly, feeling more like a hovercraft than a traditional cleaning tool. And it consistently leaves behind a polished, remarkably streak-free finish that makes the floors look brand new. 3. Turbo Microfiber Mop System. Sometimes going back to basics with a highly refined premium tool is exactly what fake wood floors desperately need. When I first picked this up, I was immediately impressed by its incredibly lightweight yet durable aluminum handle. It doesn't rely on batteries, cords, or internal liquid tanks, making it a delightfully straightforward and reliable piece of equipment. What truly makes this mop stand out from the competition is the exceptional quality of the included microfiber pads. They are incredibly dense and feature a unique looping pattern that acts exactly like a magnet. When I used this dry, it trapped pet hair, fine dust, and crumbs far better than my standard broom ever could. The friction it creates grabs onto everything without scattering dust into the air. When transitioned to wet mopping, it glides beautifully. Because you aren't relying on an attached liquid reservoir, you have total, uncompromising control over what cleaning solution you use and exactly how damp the pad gets. I simply misted the floor lightly with a laminate-safe cleaner from a spray bottle and glided the mop over the surface. This method guarantees that your floor seams are perfectly safe from moisture damage. The 360-degree rotating head is wonderfully nimble and incredibly low profile. It darts around chair legs, maneuvers tight kitchen corners, and slips under low furniture with absolute ease. The pads are fully machine washable, making it highly eco-friendly and cost-effective. It is a durable, no-nonsense tool that provides professional-level cleaning without any unnecessary gimmicks. 2. O-Cedar EasyWring Spin Mop and Bucket System. I will admit, I was initially highly skeptical about using any sort of traditional bucket system on my fake wood floors, deeply fearing that I would inevitably apply too much water. However, the brilliantly designed foot pedal wringer on this bucket completely changed my perspective and my routine. The absolute magic of this product lives inside that wringer bucket. By placing the wet mop head into the wringer basket and stepping on the foot pedal a few extra times, you can spin the microfiber strands until they are merely damp to the touch. This hands-free wringing creates the absolute perfect, safe moisture level for sensitive laminate and luxury vinyl plank floors, completely removing the danger of standing water. The unique triangular shape of the mop head is another brilliant design choice that I fell in love with during testing. I found it incredibly satisfying to push it deep into the 90-degree corners of my kitchen and glide it cleanly right against the baseboards. It easily pulls out trapped dirt and dust that traditional round mops simply leave behind or push further into the corner. The microfiber strings themselves are super absorbent and effectively lift grease, grime, and sticky spots using just water, completely eliminating the need for harsh, floor-dulling chemicals. It is deeply satisfying to carry the bucket to the sink and see the dark, dirty water, knowing exactly how much grime you've lifted off your beautiful floors without ever risking water damage or spending money on disposable pads. 1. O-Cedar ProMist Max Microfiber Spray Mop. After weeks of testing every tool on the market, this is the mop I consistently reach for on a daily basis. It brilliantly combines the convenience of a spray mop with the safety and cleaning power required for delicate surfaces, making it the undisputed king of fake wood floor maintenance. The absolute standout feature here is the genius dual-sided microfiber pad. When you are mopping a large living room and the bottom pad inevitably gets dirty, you don't have to stop what you are doing, walk to the sink, and change it out. You literally just flip the mop head over with a quick twist of the handle and keep right on going with a completely fresh, clean side. It cuts the hassle completely in half. The refillable liquid bottle is a massive, undeniable win for both your wallet and the long-term health of your floors. Instead of being locked into buying expensive, heavily chemical proprietary solutions, I simply fill it with water and a tiny drop of pH-neutral floor cleaner. The manual spray trigger delivers a wide, perfectly fine mist that never oversaturates the floor, offering the safest moisture application I've experienced. It operates entirely without batteries, which means it's lightweight, never breaks down, and is always instantly ready to go. The microfiber pad features dedicated built-in scrub zones that tackle sticky kitchen messes effortlessly without scratching the finish. It leaves my fake wood floors looking flawlessly clean, exceptionally streak-free, and most importantly, perfectly dry within moments of passing over them. This is simply the best investment you can make for your floors.